linear differential equations. We have to discuss today linear differential equations. So it is also most important, but in easy way we can solve the solutions. Linear differential equations. So this one in the short form we can call as LDE. LDE. So what is a, here it is, we can say that which equation we can say that means the differential equation of the form, the differential equation of the form of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q is called linear differential equation. Linear differential equation in first order. Linear differential equation in first order. In first order. So where this p and q are, p and q are functions of x. P and q are functions of x. So here it is functions of x. So for example here, example dy by dx plus y cos x is equals to sin x. Y cos x is equals to sin x. So this is a cos x is a p of x and this is a sin x is a q of x. Sin x is a q of x. So dy by dx plus y cos x is equals to sin x is called the linear differential equation. So here it is, this one is a linear differential equation. Next, we have to learn how to solve the linear differential equation. Solution of the linear differential equation. So this solution of the linear differential equation is, to solve this equation, we are require one value. Solution of linear differential equation. So here it is. Here we have taken the linear differential equation like this: dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q. So here we have to find one value. This value we can call the integrating factor. Integrating factor here, it is the most important. This one integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. That is a p of x dx here only. So if you multiply this value with the on both sides, here it is integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. We have to multiply this on both sides. Integral p of x into dx into dy by dx plus p of x into e power integral p of x dx into y is equals to q of e power integral p of x into q of x dx. Q of x into dx. If you see this right side, here we have the value in the form of uv. Here e power integral p of x is constant, differentiation of y is dy by dx, plus here e power integral p of x differentiation is e power px, and the differentiation of integral p of x dx is integral and differentiation is cancelled, we can get the p of x. So this value we can write d by dx of e power integral p of x into dx into y is equals to, this is, we have to write the q of x into e power integral p of x dx. Integrating on both sides, integration d by dx of e power integral p of x dx into y is equals to integral q of x into e power integral p of x dx into dx. Here it is. It is dx. Here also dx is there. So now that this differentiation integration is cancelled, then y is equals to e power integral p of x into dx is equals to here integral q of x into e power integral p of x dx. So this is called the solution of the differential equation. This in this value we can write this value in the short form. This integrating factor can be denoted by the if. So this solution can be written as y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus c, if dx. So we are writing the note here. We are writing the note. What is the note means? Solution of here it is dy by dx plus py is equals to q is y into if integral is equals to q into if dx, where if is e power integral p dx, e power integral d p dx. So if you the equation in the linear differential equation in y, it is y. Now it is x. What is the x means? Dx by dy plus px is equals to q, where q and p and q are functions of y. It is x into if is equals to integral q into if dx, where if is equals to e power integral p dy, e power integral p dy. Is it understood, Nana? So here now Bernoulli differential equation. What is a Bernoulli differential equation? We have to here see this Bernoulli's differential equation. So here it is the differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q into, don't write when I'm telling. So dy by dx plus py is equals to q into y power n is called Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. Yes, Nana. So here it is this solution of the Bernoulli differential equation. Solution of Bernoulli differential equation. So here we have take the differential equation dy by dx plus py is equals to qy power n. Now we have to make the right hand side with only the function of x. To make the right hand side only function of x, we have to divide with the y power n. So 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p into y by y power n is equals to q. Then this value becomes 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p into 1 by y power n minus 1 is equals to q. So now if you take the, here it is y power n minus 1, let y power 1 by y power n minus 1 is equals to z. Differentiation with respect to z, Nana. Differentiation with respect to z x. So it is d by dx of y to the power of minus of n minus 1 is equals to dz by dx. It is first, it is in a form of x power n minus 1. X power n formula is n into x power n minus 1. So it is minus of n minus 1 into y to the power of minus n plus 1 minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Dz by dx. So here the plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. If you taken this minus of n minus 1 to the right side, it is becomes 1 by y power n into dy by dx is equals to minus of 1 by n minus 1 into dz by dx. So then this equation is becomes what is minus 1 by n minus 1 into dy by dx, sorry, dz by dx, dz by dx plus p into z, plus p into z is equals to q. If you multiply with the minus of 1 by n minus 1 here, what we can get here, it is dz by dx, dz by dx minus of n minus 1 into p into z is equals to minus of n minus 1 into q. Now it is converted into linear differential equation, converted into linear differential equation. Now we can solve by using linear differential. Now we can solve by using linear differential equation, linear differential equation. So problems on linear differential equation, it is first problem here, dy by dx plus 2y by x is equals to 2x square. So solution here, first given differential equation dy by dx plus 2y by x is equals to 2x square. I'm writing the clearly this one, dy by dx plus q 2 by x into y is equals to 2x square. So comparing the equation, comparing the equation, comparing the differential equation with dy by dx plus p into p of x into y is equals to q of x. We get, what is the p of x here? P of x is 2 by x, and q of x is 2x square or not? Q of x is 2x square. First, in any one, compulsory we had find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor. It is a integrating factor, Nana. Compulsory we had find out the integrating factor. So that is the integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. So this value is equals to solve this one, first we can find out the p of x value first. To solve in easy way, we have to find out the first two p of x. P of x dx is equals to integral 2 by x dx. 2 is outside, integral 1 by x dx. So then this value is, what is integral p of x dx is, what is the integration of log 1 by x is? Log x is integration.
Log.
So log x.
Log.
So integral p of x dx is, it is becomes as log x square. Log x square. Now integrating factor is, now integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. So it is e power log x square. By the property here, this value becomes as the x square. X square. Now solution of given differential equation, solution of given linear differential equation, LDE I'm writing here. So linear differential equation is y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx. So then this value y into if value is x square. So it is becomes as x square y is equals to 2x square into x square dx. So x square y is equals to 2 into x power 4 dx. So x square y is equals to 2 by 5 into x power 5 plus c. Hence the solution is, hence here it is, the solution is x square y is equals to 2 by 5 into x power 5 plus c. So dy by dx plus y tan x is equals to cos cube x. So here also it is dy by dx plus y tan x is equals to cos cube x. So comparing given differential equation, comparing the given differential equation with dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. So we get, what is the p of x here? P of x is equals to tan x. Q of x is equals to cos cube x. So here it is integrating factor e power integral p of x dx. Directly I'm writing here now. Integral tan x dx. Integration of tan x is log mod secant x. So here it is log mod secant x. Here this value becomes as secant x here. So now the solution is solution is y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx. So y into secant x is equals to integral q of x means cos cube x into secant x dx. So then it is y into secant x is equals to integral cos cube into secant x means it is becomes as cos square x dx or not? Cos
Yes,
square
sir.
x dx or not? Then it is y into secant x is equals to cos square x is also multiple submultiple formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. Then this value is also here y into secant x is first value 1 by 2 integral dx plus 1 by 2 integral cos 2x dx. So here it is y into secant x, integral dx is x, so it is x by 2. Cos ax integration is 1 by a cos sin ax. So 1 by 2 means 2 into 2 is 4. It is a 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. So this is a solution of the given differential equation.